In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up your rangefinder while using a mouse and keyboard here on Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your settings, and what you're going to want to do is actually go down to this mouse and keyboard section. Go into your keybinds option from here, and what you're going to want to do is find the option for your firing mode and your zeroing mode. You might have to scroll down a little bit to actually go ahead and find this, but you'll notice that it should be automatically set to the B key by default, and that's going to be your rangefinder key. To use it, essentially go ahead and aim down sights first. And when you tap it once, you'll see the small number in the bottom right corner of your screen go up by 100 meters each time. The first one is 100 and it goes all the way up to 500. That's going to be your current zeroing distance. If you hold down that B key while aiming, it's going to automatically set that zeroing key to be whatever you would like it to be. For example, in the firing range, the farthest target is around 113 meters over there. But yeah, quick recap, tap B to increase the range by 100 meters, hold B to set the range to where you're aiming, and always aim down sights before adjusting. But that is it. That's how you can use the rangefinder zeroing system here in Battlefield 6. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.